Hey guys, so recently bought the M1 MacBook Air from apple.com, and this was delayed quite a bit as you can see on the screen. And guys, as you can see, I'm not at my usual setup, so it's gonna be a very organic video, me unboxing it and talking about my raw impressions. So guys, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and also like this video. Let's begin. First up, I'm not very happy with the packaging. I mean, it could be a lot better. Just look at my older MacBook Air 2017 unboxing, which I got from Paytm. That was much better with very good padding. I hope Apple does improve on the protection layer. So I got this space gray color, which I kind of regretted now. Anyway, let's talk about that in a bit. But in the box, you are getting the usual paperwork, and below that you have the 30-watt adapter, and I kind of like this because it is very compact and almost feels like a mobile charger, easy to carry, and you have the type C to type C charging cable as well, which is the new norm. So let's talk about the color selection. So the reason for getting the space gray color is mainly because I already had this MacBook with the silver color, so I wanted to try some new color, and the gold color was kind of more flashy, so I just wanted it to be a little bit stealthy and simple. But I noticed that it is kind of a bit more darker than what it looks to be on the video, and I personally don't seem to like this. If there was a chance, I would love to swap it with the silver color, but anyway, that's about the colors. Now let's talk about some other important stuff. The fingerprint sensor is quite fast. I mean, it feels faster than my phone. But what blew my mind was the display. Just putting the tech specs aside, I just tried the Prime Video in best settings and the YouTube in HDR, and it just looked amazing. I mean, consuming content just like a normal user, it was just amazing experience in terms of display. So if you are into that movie and video web series stuff, you're gonna love the display. And not just that, because of the white color gamut, it is actually even good for photo editing and stuff as well. So I'm actually looking forward to it as well. The instant wake up works as advertised, but it's just okay, it's alright. I mean, it hasn't been a wow factor for me at least. So the main reason for getting this and upgrading from my older MacBook is the M1 chip and the performance, and here it has been pretty good. I mean, what else can I say? It is really good, but I did notice some hiccups and beach balls. I will talk about it in the further videos, but I'm impressed with the app loading times, and generally it just flies through the UI. Also, I instantly love the keyboard. It just works really well, and the trackpad is slightly bigger than my older MacBook, and it is as good as ever. It also has the dual speaker setup. I haven't tested this enough, but it sounds pretty loud and pretty decent for a laptop. But the only downside is the ports. Yes, it has a headphone jack, thankfully, but you are only getting 2 ports, that is USB type C ports. So you gotta get the dongles and stuff. It is just madness. So anyway, these were my first impressions, guys, and I will be trying to compare this with my older MacBook and how big an upgrade this is, and some other content as well. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe and also like this video, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.